Film Titus when he...
Dude, hopefully it looks like we're at Titus's house. Oh my god, this like makes me feel like it's like back in the day. Just looking through the screen.
A couple days ago I posted about Mark Casey Boy talking about how it's similar to the old chill guy narrative.
Jaden.
What's good, my brothers and sisters from a different brother? POV, we're gonna look back in this footage in 20 years from now. You better be rich, brother. Everyone good?
Oh. Oh my god. How?
Hit it like you hit your ex-girlfriend.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're doing that. I'm doing that again.
I bet.
That's way not as bad.
It's super chill, huh?
Yeah.
The thing about this one,
one's crazy.
it comes up so quick. There's like no time in between the jumps. Jesus Christ, man.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna go on the left line this time. Oh, fuck. That third one is fucked! Dude, that's the first time I've hit that third one.
Dude, it's so late.
Holy shit!
I'm looking into the bottom.
Okay, can you tell them I took a lap? Watch him, watch him, watch him. No, I'll go off to the side. I'm not gonna go over you. Dude, honestly, I could go over you. It felt pretty strong. Let's hit it at the same time! That was so fire. Oh my God. Like, flex your legs. Holy fuck, dude.
We're sitting in the house spot. These guys are all mid.
Look how far it's zoomed in.
That's so cool.
Hello?
What's good?
Okay, 250. Let's go. Okay, we gotta put this to 100, and I'll send you guys these 20, and then we'll all
just keep
game.
flipping it. Just keep flipping that.
No.
Dude, I want to gamble. This looks so much fun.
18.
Okay, if it misses, I'll send you 10. Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
Okay,
You do it.
I only need 3 lines, right?
Yeah. Bro.
High.
Hi.
Lower.
I made 25 cents off of a penny. Cash out.
Okay, sure. Keep going.
This is so fun.
Okay, that was good.
You got
You're
15?
sitting right here. Actually,
What do I have? You have 15, it says.
No, that's
Okay, explain your.
okay.
This is what we're gonna do. We're all gonna put $25. 3 mines to win $100. Oh wait, all 4 of us combined is $100. 3 mines is double, so we'll have $100. Then we're full pouring that 200 to get 400, and then we're done. We all win $100. That's the strat. Sounds like a plan.
So, a lot of fate riding on this guy's shoulders
I'm not
right
gonna lie,
now.
if we lose to
But
30, I might call Grimey and have her sell me too.
I trust him with my life.
Oh, your wallet?
I think it's buy gold coins. Easy, you're doing demo.
My pockets were zipped up.
Got the vlogging, say what's up to the vlog.
Oh, it's so good.
Going to be like, I rode up with Toasty Tuesday, and he was talking this shit, you know?
So
Toasty Tuesday told me to full port NVIDIA stock.
Hey, here's your insider trading.
Okay, tell me.
Who's the Trump hydrogen advisor? You plug your iPad in, you plug your phone in, plug your ass into some hydrogen data centers,
Okay.
and we'll be up here snorting
alright.
powder all day long. Just
Have options?
is he crazy, or do they just let him out like daytime and then lock him up at night, you know?
The latter.
I'm thinking the latter. Like, motherfuck.
Okay.
Because NVIDIA is kind of like free booty. If you got free booty, you got something that's going to sell. You know what I'm saying? So, free booty, free soup, free beer, anything free is going to sell. So,
Okay.
what are you pimping today, dude?
These hugs.
I mean, I'd pimp them fucking mittens, you know? Them look like poontang mittens now.
Toasty Tuesday, know what's up, man?
Rolling with the good times.
Got the film. Oh!
Dude, I can't even see the landing.
Can't even see the freaking jump from here. Oh, yup. Ah! Ha 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 ha. Anthony, can you film us on the third jump? Here. Here.
Sideways?
We out?
Yeah, let's go.
I rode up with Toasty Tuesday, and he was talking this shit. Rolling with the good times.